Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we're unpacking a really crucial decision for any local business that's looking to grow.
Building their website?
Exactly. We've been looking at sources from the website Easy Gold, which, focuses on agencies in areas like Sturminster, Newton, and Dorset. And our mission today is really to figure out why having a web partner nearby someone in your own community is more than just convenient. It's like a strategic move.
It's all about hyper-localization, isn't it? For a business to really succeed online, its website needs local roots.
And real digital visibility.
That's it. That's the core of what we're digging into.
Okay, so let's start with the foundation. The sources we have really lean into WordPress. People have heard of it. But what makes it the right choice for a local business?
Well, it's about a combination of power and, control.
Okay.
It's incredibly flexible, sure. But the real magic is how it can grow with you. It can scale. A small business might start simple, but they need a site that can eventually handle, say, a full online shop. WordPress can do that.
And it has all those little specialized tools, the plugins. How does a local agency use those any better than someone working remotely?
That's a great point. See, a remote team might just install, the standard SEO tools.
Right.
But a local agency, one like those mentioned by Easy Gold, they know the specific local landscape. They know which plugins you need for, say, a booking system that people in Dorset actually use and trust.
So it's about optimizing the tech for the local market.
Exactly. It's making sure you rank when someone actually searches for plumbers in Sturminster, Newton, not just plumbers.
That makes a lot of sense. But let's switch gears to the human side of things. We talk about local knowledge.
Yeah.
But can I just look at my analytics and market research to figure out what my local customers want? What does a local agency actually know that data can't tell me?
Well, data can give you the what, but proximity, that gives you the why.
Okay.
A designer anywhere in the world can see keywords, but they won't get the cultural nuances that make people here engage.
Can you give me a concrete example of a nuance like that?
Sure. Think about timing and imagery. A local team just knows that the annual town fair is the biggest week of the year for certain businesses.
Right, they don't have to look it up.
Exactly. So the content they create, the language they use, the photos of local spots that everyone recognizes, it all feels authentic. It speaks the community's language.
And that builds trust.
It does. It's an invaluable asset that turns visitors into actual customers.
So beyond that local flavor, what are the practical day-to-day benefits of having your team just down the road in Dorset?
Just makes everything easier. First, communication. The sources from Easy Gold really hit on this.
Being able to meet face-to-face.
Yes, or even just being in the same time zone. It makes sure your vision for the project actually gets delivered. It builds that trust you mentioned.
Which is so important when your website is your digital front door.
Absolutely. And second, you get faster support. If something breaks, your agency isn't on a global clock, they can fix things quickly.
So your business stays open online?
Right. And finally, there's the community angle. When you hire a local agency, you're investing back into the Sturminster Newton economy. It's a win for everyone.
So if we boil this all down for you, the learner, what's the one key takeaway here?
I think the main takeaway is that a great website isn't just about cool features. It's about relevance.
Relevance.
Yeah. Working with experts who genuinely get your neighborhood creates a site that's not just pretty, but deeply effective at grabbing the attention of the right people.
The people who live right around the corner.
The ones that matter most.
So next time you're browsing a local business's website, just pause and ask yourself this. Does this site feel like it was built by someone who understands the rhythm of my community? Or does it feel like a generic template that could be anywhere in the world? That's something to think about.